As always, our vision at Strencom is to be the best provider of managed cloud and managed connectivity solutions. The areas we will cover today are: what is a snapshot, why take a snapshot, what happens when you take a snapshot, what options are available when taking a snapshot, and considerations when using snapshots in general. A VM snapshot preserves the state and data of a virtual machine at a specific point in time. The state would include the power state of the virtual machine, be it powered on, powered off, or suspended, and the data includes all files that make up the virtual machine. Number of reasons for wanting to take a virtual machine snapshot. These would include using it for backing out if applying a patch or an update, or for testing or development purposes. A virtual machine is made up of a number of files, including the file that encapsulates or represents the hard drive attached to the virtual machine. This is the VMDK file. When you take a snapshot, a new VMDK file known as a delta file is created. This file has read-write attributes. At this time, your original VMDK file becomes read-only. While the snapshot exists, every change to the hard drive of the virtual machine is now written to the delta file and not to the original VMDK file. There are two options available when taking a snapshot in VDC 2.0. Memory, this instructs VMware to capture the memory of the virtual machine. And quiesce, this pauses running processes on the guest OS so that files are in a consistent state when the snapshot is taken. This only applies to powered on virtual machines. Considerations when using snapshots. Snapshots can be very useful, however, they must be used with caution. Remember that all changes to a virtual machine that has a current snapshot are written to a delta file and not to the original VMDK file. It's only when you remove the snapshot that changes are written back into the original VMDK file. If a long period of time has passed between the snapshot being created and the snapshot being deleted, there could be a substantial amount of data to be written into the VMDK file. This could have a negative impact on a production virtual machine. Leaving snapshots in place will increase storage requirements, affect VM performance, and possibly affect VM management and control. Some general guidelines when using snapshots would include: a snapshot's existence should be short-term, minutes and hours, never days and weeks. You can use snapshots more freely in a test or developmental environment, but pay close attention to your disk space if running snapshots of multiple or larger virtual machines. So we've briefly looked at the following areas: what is a snapshot, why take a snapshot, what happens when you take a snapshot, what options are available when taking a snapshot, and considerations when using snapshots. For more information, please contact the Strencom sales team.